Hey, do you want to make money online right now? Do affiliate marketing. Here's why. Affiliate marketing is the easiest path to money on the internet right now. You simply collaborate with already established companies and you sell their products that people already want and you make a commission. We call it the connector model. Okay, just over the last 5 days alone, we started a campaign and it's generating on average about $100,000 per day. I'm going to show you. Would you like to see the setup? Would you like to see what products we're promoting? What systems we use to sell those products? By the way, I never sell it directly. System sells it for me, right? And then where do we get our traffic? Listen, I'm holding a masterclass where I show you everything from A to Z and I help you set you up with the same system if you'd like. Register for my upcoming session. I'm going to show you where do we get the product, how do you set up the system, and how do you do it, and how do you start making money for real fast on the internet. Why am I doing this? We're on the mission through my company to create an army of super affiliates. Okay? If you want to be part of this movement, let me show you how it's done.